In this video, I'll show you how to use Kling AI. Firstly, open your browser and go to klingai.com. Click the Sign in the top right corner or the Sign Up to create a new account. Navigate to the AI video option in the sidebar of the dashboard. Select between text to video to create videos from a written text prompt, or image to video to use an image and text prompt for video creation. Select the text to video option and enter a description in the text field. Text prompts can be up to 2,500 characters. Modify parameters like creativity, video mode, video length, aspect ratio, and camera movement. You can specify what to exclude from the video using negative prompt field. Choose the image to video option, upload an image, and enter the prompt, then adjust settings as outlined in steps 5 and 6. Click generate and to begin video creation. Just know that each video generation costs 10 credits.